Hi guys, last time I had a clip I was sitting on the roof framing. Now I'm inside. I was distracted doing some work at the front of the house, building a pergola with my wife, which has come along beautiful. It's pretty much finished, so now I'm back here. I just installed 2 doors, sliding doors. And just hung them up, so now I've got to do the brackets for it. And when that's lockable, I've got a little garden shed out here. I'll empty all my tools out into the big shed, and then finish that wall off, and then I'll have everything on a big pile, and I'll build my workbenches and shelves and stuff. So I've got some stuff in here to make room so I can walk around in a little shed. I've got 1 Jeep in here. It'll be permanently housed 2 Jeeps and 1 in the carport, I guess. And there'll be another one there. Hopefully there'll be a hoist here. One comes along at the right price. Any freebies out there that need fixing? So here's my workshop. It started raining, so I just thought I'd do a bit of a clip. It's really weird weather at the moment. You can see the clouds out there. It's on and off. So yeah, basically this black Jeep is parked where the shed was, so as soon as before I closed the walls in, I pulled her inside. So that'll be the first one to be fixed up. The engine's nearly finished, so it's not a lot of work on this one. Lucky, I think it's still registered. My wife paid the bills. So there we go. Skylights, side lights. I can kind of see in the backyard. And there's a big workbench along this wall here. It'll be 6 meters long and a good meter wide. There'll be power connection there with 3-phase. And hand tools over here. So yeah, anyway, just letting you know there is progress and there will be new content coming up soon. So yeah, take it easy, like and subscribe, and ring that bell, because if you don't ring the bell you don't know if I've loaded or not. So if you like to see what's happening, great. And yeah, I've got another channel too, which is quite popular, Australia Philippines Adventures, and yeah, have a look, see what I'm up to. Some stuff from around the house there here too. So, but it's not about Jeeps, it's just about travelling and gardening and stuff like that. So anyway, peace out, take care, happy Jeeping.